Niaje watu, karibu sana one more time to Tangent Media Africa. For those who are new, kuna hiyo tab pale chini imeandikwa subscribe. Maze, make sure umefanya ile maneno, fanya hiyo kitu so that we're able to keep on creating content of this same sort. Okay. Sasa sijika unajua guys have been asking, unajua, okay, F&M Studios, that's our sister studio.
Yeah.
In fact, we've done lots of music videos na wewe. There was this experience we had in Kakamega. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Was it sometime last year?
Last year. Yeah.
What was the scenario back then? Because we went somewhere and we wanted to fly, and it seems like the drone couldn't even lift off.
Yes. The reason is we have restricted zones.
Okay.
We remember tulikuwa tunashoot karibu na Kakamega airport.
Aha.
Yes. So kwa airport tuko na zones. You should not fly a drone radius ya 7 kilometers.
Sure.
Yes. Because hiyo ni place ndege zina take off.
Yeah.
na ina nini.
It's a very sensitive area.
It's a sensitive area.
Okay.
So drone haiwezi fly more than 50 meters above.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So hiyo ndio tulikuwa tuna face.
Okay.
So drone haikuwa inaenda juu.
Yeah.
So you can just fly kwa ground chini. Yes.
So if you need a music video, if you're doing just generating content for yourself and you need a drone, make sure you may abide by these provisions. Otherwise mtakutwa mnabeba bwana. Ushaibebwa na watu?
No.
Ama drone kwa confiscated.
Nimejipata kwa point unaulizwa who are you.
Yeah.
by the forces. Nilikuwa na map huko Narok. So Narok side, Mau Narok.
Okay.
Yes. So
Mau Narok.
Yes, Mau Narok.
Hii side ya Mauche.
Yes.
Kama
so
okay.
nilikuwa nafanya mapping ya crop diseases.
Okay.
Huko ya potatoes.
Okay.
So drone ikafly over the Shuka.
Why?
So and those people, the way they are they are ruthless. So kidogo nashtukia tu Land Rover inafika mbio.
I'm saying you're daring. Ulikuwa unajua ama
sikuwa najua that there is but now tulikuwa tumetafuta authorization from
okay.
KCA.
Okay.
So after kuoneshana that we are armless people, wakaanza ku understand. But now they were like lazima mtu inform. We are security apparatus hapa, so we need to know what is going on.
Very
so
true.
And I think that was bad on our side.
Okay.
Yeah, we needed to inform these people.
Okay.
Also nimejipata huko Turkana. It's a polarized country, region.
Yeah.
So nilikuwa nafanya mapping and elders of the community are coming. Who are you people? So ilikuwa between Pokot and Turkana. So wakifeel there's something being done to these other people, wanna feel
oh yeah. It's like they feel umeleta maendeleo bana.
So stop it. Atutaki hiyo vitu atutaki. Yeah, let's stop it and go home. Pack your things and go home. So we had to pack and come back home.
What? Job ikuendelea?
Job ikuendelea. Lakini
ushalipwa.
Down payment first.
Lazima. Speaking of which, unajua wewe ni creative hapa nje. When you creative, unafanya photography, which means pia video pia. You have a hand in that. Kuna wasa wanasema bana music video haiwezi kuwa complete bila drone. What are your sentiments? Your personal sentiments, not biased. Ongea tu kama creator.
Drones in add flavor. Okay, yes, the video inaweza fanyika without drone, but kuna kitu drone ina add ka flavor kidogo. Enye perspective, these are the normal cameras haiwezi kuwa nayo.
Yeah.
Perspective, you can change perspective ya angle of shooting that video so quickly. Ama ukifanya in a motion, hiyo camera haikuwa na hiyo capacity ya kufanya hivyo.
Yes.
Then number 2, there is something that a drone has in a video, patterns. You can see the pattern of something using a drone. especially jiweke kwa ile point umepeleka hawa kwaya ama huyu mtu wa kuimba kwa a beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
With a normal camera.
Ni vast.
Yes. Yeah. With a normal camera, unaweza shoot huyu mtu ikienda tu hivyo. Kuchange angles na nini take you time.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes. But the drone now, with just changing the gimbal, unaweza ona hiyo pattern ya something. So clouds, ama forest, ama any other thing, ama road vile inaenda. So drones now are coming with this flavor in normal cameras don't have.
Okay.
Yes.
Bro, tumeongea mengi. Tumejua vile what to do in case we want to fly a drone.
Yeah.
How much would these things cost? Unajua sometimes mtu anasema wacha nione kana is invest in something.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I know they're in various categories.
Yeah.
But these things, how much do they cost? Because naona hata kuna ingine imetokea juzi, sijui tulikuwa tunaangalia nawe briefly. Iko na capabilities zingine wazimu tu.
Mavic 3.
Wacha tu. Hebu tupeleke vile.
So drones inadepend na buy yenye umenunua. So unaweza toa huko Alibaba, unaweza toa or you can even order from DJI themselves.
Yeah, okay.
So inadepend na hizo
or the platforms. The resellers, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Alafu pia inadepend na dollar iko wapi.
Sure.
Yes.
Sai dollar inatufanyia ile kitu.
So one thing, yes, they will tell you bei yenye watakwambia.
Yeah.
So inadepend drone gani unanunua.
Okay.
This is Mavic Air 2.
Okay.
So this goes for karibu 84,000. But the problem is you have to have something called importation permit from the Kenya Civil Aviation
Authority.
Yes.
Okay.
So registration na kila kitu can take you even another 40,000.
Wow.
Yes.
Chief.
So yes, you can buy a drone, but kuna hizi mavitu, registration, kuna permits, kuna
proper paperwork nini.
Yes, paperwork yake.
Na nimeona kwanza hiyo iko na some parts kando auxiliary za kuisaidia.
Yes. Kuna battery.
Okay.
Battery yake. One thing about DJI, like they want to dominate the market.
Okay.
So what they are doing, they are making their accessories zikuwe same. Ini Mavic Air 2.
Okay.
Mavic Air 3 inatumia the same battery.
Okay.
Mavic Air 2 Pro inatumia the same battery.
E3 imetoka juzi.
3 imetoka juzi.
Inatumia the same battery.
The same battery.
That's a genius strategy.
Yeah. So ini controller yake.
Okay.
This is where you put your phone. Unaweka simu yako. You as a user interface.
Okay.
Unaweza view whatever you want to do.
Okay.
So these are the things that what you can unaweza buy. Una buy drone without this. Yes.
Okay. So that you use the former
no. So you know they cannot.
Oh yeah, importing batteries.
Yes. Batteries ni different.
Yes.
Zinakuja different.
Okay.
Yeah. But unaweza pata client, unaweza pata dealer mwenye anaweza kutumia zote.
Okay.
Yes.
Ikiwa package
but now when you are buying it from the manufacturer.
Okay.
Haiwezi kukupea zote.
Okay.
Yes. Ni kama tu iPhone. iPhone unanunua without charger ama
sasa hiyo nasikia wana buy bila charger
ama earphones.
But next time sijui itakuja bila camera
so but DJI I think they are dominating the market right now.
Okay.
Wana change saizi unaona wana change, unaweza shoot na 5.1K.
Mazee.
Unaweza shoot na 4K. Yes. Maneno za frames per second ziko wazimu. Yes.
That's nice. So hata for sports unaweza itumia.
Sports, yeah. In fact ziko na modes.
Okay.
Ziko na modes hapa. We have normal, we have sports, then we have scene modes.
Okay.
So these are and vile nilikuwa nakwambia the client wame realize that wanajiuliza what can we or what is needed in the market. Wanasema we need tunataka drones za kushoot sports, tunataka drones za kushoot vitu kama even nilikuwa naona wanashoot vitu kama earthquakes.
Okay.
Earthquake temperatures ziko high.
Yeah.
So can we manufacture drones that can be temperature resistant?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So vitu kama hurricanes.
Okay. Kumonitor nini?
Yes.
Okay.
So those are the things that they can do it, I know.
Okay.
And they have them in the market right now.
Okay.
Yes.
Bro, tumeongea mengi. I have a trick question. I don't see trick question, just a final question.
Yes.
There's a lot we can mention. But what do you think would be your bucket shot? Your last bucket shot, a fulfilling drone shot yenye umewahi taka kufanya na bado hujafanya mpaka saa hii. Yes. And unataka tu kuiget.
You know one problem about photography? There's a quote that says we are longing for the next shot. Yes, umeshoot hiyo kitu. A good sunset. Ama waves za ocean vizuri.
Yes.
But kuna ile kitu ndani yako inakwambia maybe the next shot is the best. Maybe the next shot is the best.
Yeah.
So siwezi kuambia I'm longing for this shot yenye ndafanya.
I get you.
Yes, I will shoot. Evil.
Yeah.
Because I have that feeling that maybe kesho sunset ya kesho iko sawa.
True.
Maybe kesho moonrise ikikuja vizuri, I will get that. Because drones, perspectives are drones hauwezi exhaust.
Bro, tumalizie na another wise word bana. Unajua unazispit bana. What's your last comment kuhusu yourself as a graduate ukijiangalia back then and probably you didn't know what life had for you? How can you encourage yourself, because there's someone who's watching this and wants to be a drone pilot like you, but anashindwa mazee, how can I make the odds work for me? Yeah.
Nadhani sijafika place nilikuwa naenda.
Okay.
Yes, I wanted to be a drone pilot. I wanted to be a aeronautical engineer, but I think sijafika. Yes, I still have a long way to go.
True.
Yes. So the only thing I need to do is wake up and grind it.
Nice.
Until it hurts.
Wake up and grind until it hurts. Bro, rudia hiyo tena.
Yeah.
Hebu rudia hiyo ndo natumalizia nayo hii episode.
I'll wake up every day, grind it until it hurts.
Moto sana. Wasay, thank you so much for tuning in. He has been Brian Keegan, a drone pilot, an experienced drone pilot. Until another time, cheers wajamaa.
Thank you.